I am pretty good. So my name is Ronald. I am the CEO and founder of Ronald's Delicacies Treats, a baking business here in St. John's. I live in the downtown area of St. John's, and I am currently a business student in Memorial University. This winter semester is my last semester at Memorial, hopefully. I'm originally from Zimbabwe, and I've been here for, this is my 4th year, and I really love it because there's so many beautiful buildings here. I work in the health sector, and I also have my own baking business. So that's basically it on me for sure, for now. My business is called Ronald Delicacies Treats. I started this business in 2019. Back home in Zimbabwe, I used to bake, and my mom taught me how to bake. She taught me how to read ingredients and all that. And when I came here, a few of my friends tried my products, and they really loved them. I'm a business student, so I then got to think about how can I start a business in St. John's? How can I help people get these treats and baked products? So I then started Ronald Delicacies Treats, and I mainly make cakes. I make treats such as cupcakes, brownies, milk turds. I also make treats from Africa, such as mandazi, milk turd, and chimodo. Actually, it's the English name is cornbread. Most of my products are sold at the farmers market. I go to the farmers market on every second week, and I also sell my products online. I also sell on social media such as Facebook and Instagram. I actually do some pop-ups at Johnny Ruth, which is a clothing store downtown, and definitely go check it out because there's so much nice products. Supply to the Market Family Cafe. It's at the YMCA gym. I supply my products every week. It's a place you can just also buy our products for sure. Right now, I also have a partner that helps me. Her name is Tadiwa. She helps me with my operations. She helps me at the farmers market. She helps me with my baking. So I would say I'm not like a one-man operation for now, because I'm trying to grow big, and as I grow big, I need more people to help me with ideas, operation side as well. So far, I've managed to acquire a spot at the farmers market, which is a big thing to me. And I've also acquired a huge amount of followers on my Instagram page. I've also managed to, secure a spot with the cafe that I supply my products. I've also managed to do a bunch of pop-ups downtown. And lastly, I also recently, last year, I won a competition that gave me $5,000 to use in my business, which is really good to me, and it's been a lot of help to me. So those are pretty much my accomplishment up to now for sure. So as soon as I'm done with school, I really have so much to plan about. I'm going to take it slow this first quarter of the year because I'm trying to finish up with my school. But as soon as I'm done with school, I'm planning to do a bunch of things. I'm planning to have a plan on how I can make my own African cafe. So that's later in the stages, maybe later in probably next year or something. But that's pretty much what I'm going to plan on doing, and making good cakes, beautiful cakes, improve my decoration, and that's pretty much it now. Firstly, honestly, I didn't have a big idea on what to expect in Canada. And the reason being, I didn't do a lot of research. My twin brother did a lot of research for me because he's actually the one who applied for me to come to Canada. Oh yeah, so my twin brother. He's pretty much a genius, I would say. Yeah. I knew a little bit about Newfoundland because I have a couple of friends that I learned with in high school that are actually in Newfoundland right now. So they told me about the low tuition in Memorial University, and they told me about the snow and the bad winter in Newfoundland. So that's pretty much it. And also how friendly people are in Newfoundland and why it's the best place to come. I really feel like it's a really good place. I would definitely love to stay in Newfoundland because it's a really quiet place. I'm someone who loves a quiet environment. I really love Newfoundland because it has friendly people. It has a lot of opportunities for example, for me to start my own business. So I really feel like it's a good place for me. It's a good place for me to develop myself. It's a good place for me to, like really explore myself. I think, I was having a conversation with my brother today, and we're talking about how, like, St. John's is a good place, to explore yourself, to know yourself better, and also maybe for someone who's starting a business, it's a place to really start your business, because you will definitely know what people want, especially with a small number of people. You don't want to just start your business with a huge amount of people. So I feel like when there's a small amount of people, you know what people want, you know how to, like really manage the amount of people, you know how to let's say develop yourself and develop your business. So I feel like Newfoundland is a good place, it's a good spot, and it's a place to be, I would say, for sure. Yeah.